let's not immediately focus on the application bit. Let's step back a little and understand a few more points about HCF and LCM. All of them come from the same figure, so I'll continue over here. We have a given set of numbers. Based upon how I've tried to explain it, the HCF is going to be to the left of the numbers. What I mean by that is it is going to be smaller than the numbers. So one of the simple thing is the HCF is always less than or equal to the least of the numbers. I should ideally not be needing to explain these ideas. Why is it? Because it's a factor, and factor can be a number or less than the number. Like factor of 24 will be 24 less than 24, 36 will be 36 or less. If they are multiples of each other, these two will be common, so it can be the least of the numbers or less than it. I've also tried to explain that LCM is the key word. That is a multiple, and when we say multiple, my hand automatically goes rightwards. I'm going to the multiples of them, right? So LCM is going to be to the right of the given numbers. By that I mean right on the number line, greater than the numbers. Again, let me write it this way. I need not explain the part that LCM should be greater or equal to the greatest of the numbers. These things should be very evident from our understanding. Yeah, and if they aren't evident, I still think that we have not understood it crystal clearly. The other fact is the HCF divides the numbers, right? And the numbers divide the LCM. Yeah. LCM is a multiple of the numbers, right? So the numbers are going to divide them. What that means is HCF necessarily has to divide LCM. HCF divides the LCM. Right? If it's not clear in this dividing format, I think it is more easily understood in the multiple format. Is a multiple of. Remember, is a factor of and is a multiple of are just mutual relation. A is the brother of B, B is the sister of A, right? That way. So you just change. If A is a factor of B, B is a multiple of A. It's a mutual relation, right? So let me speak this again. HCF divides the numbers. I could also say that the numbers are multiple of HCF, right? LCM is a multiple of the numbers. That is the definition of LCM. LCM is multiple of numbers. So now it's going to be very clear. HCF is the smallest, numbers are a multiple. So take HCF and multiply them, you'll get all the numbers. And the numbers themselves when multiplied with something gives you the LCM. So what do we have? Obviously, the LCM is a multiple of HCF. Look at it, remember it whichever way. Do not get lost in so much of language. Think pictorially. Smaller numbers are factors, bigger numbers are multiples in that sense, and it should make a lot of sense. There can be a googly question on this which I'll take unannounced. Yeah, so watch out for this, what we just now learned.